The problems I had before joining Kaydoh, I think I don't have time. Running each report takes about 30 minutes, and to put it together, to email it out, and was one of the biggest issues. In terms of result-wise, they got one listing out of it. The seller just came to the open house, saw the Kaydoh sign. The first thing he asked was, why do you have that? Because I know I interviewed other realtors, they didn't have it. For me, it was like, hey, that's the selling point. And I explained to him what Kaydoh was about, how the fact that, when buyer comes through, I want instant results for them. I want to be able to provide them, hey, if I'm interested in this house, what are some of the homes that sold in the neighborhood, what are pending? We could pull that in a quick report through Kaydoh. So just by being able to explain that to him, at the end of the day, he chose me because of that. He said, hey, it seems like you're one notch above all the other realtors I interview with just because of Kaydoh. I will highly recommend it, for those out there. If you're on the fence about joining Kaydoh, that's all you need, one good lead. Having an extra tool that will help provide better service, that will help bring better value for you and for your client, why not? I haven't really tried this. And to get one listing out of it, I could pay Kaydoh for the next 10 years from this one listing based on the fees. You should raise your fees before they even debate to not try to join. You know what I mean? Shoot, left alone. For those of you that don't want to join, I want to thank you. Don't join, because that's more business for me.